Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Nokia 7.1. If you have visited my channel earlier, then you might be knowing about the Nokia 7 Plus unboxing. This phone is the upgraded version of new Nokia 7.1. So this is the answer that Nokia has given to all the Nokia fans about the notch display and dual camera with the smaller form factor and a lot of stuff that we don't get on Nokia 7 Plus. But there are some features still Nokia 7 Plus is on the higher end. So why wait? Let's open this up. This seal is totally open. I couldn't wait, so I opened it earlier and I've looked on this phone once before I would like to show you, but I haven't opened the seal here, so we will be opening this one. Okay, there we go. Wow, the steel color looks really nice and it feels really nice. As far as to my last experience with this phone, I felt that this phone was a bit slippery when I got the demo set on the store, but in real life when I am holding it, it's really handy and small, but the display is really big. So before that, why to waste, let's open our other things and we'll check it out. I will be keeping this phone really carefully because the back is also glass as well as the front. And my friends, you get Gorilla Glass up front, tempered glass on back. The real tempered glass, not tempered glass. Nokia calls it as a toughened glass, like that is used on your gas stove. It will not break, but we shouldn't take the risk. And inside the box, you get the SIM opening tool. As usual, the user guide to get started guide and the product and safety information. And here we get USB-A to USB-C charging the cable or as a data cable. You get earphones, the normal earphones. If you want good sound quality, then I would suggest to go for the Nokia's earphone. That video I have done it earlier. You can check it on my website. So as you can see here, so this charger is let me check this out. Yes, this charger, as you can see here, this charger has got let me focus this up. As you can see here, this charger has got 5 volt as well as 9 volt. So this is a quick charging charger. So this phone supports fast charging. That means it supports fast charging. So friends, out of the box we get a fast charger as well as a fast charging phone. It's a good thing, and it costs only 19,000 in India. It's a good thing. Wow. So let's keep all this aside and go on the phone. So let's boot this up. Okay, Android One. So first thing I would like to share, friends, as always, Nokia is making now Android phones, and this is a pure Android. Android One program helps you out to get quick updates for 2 more years. That means you will be updated all the time. So next, I would like to share that I had a bad impression about this phone earlier. I was thinking that the camera is really nice. Not I'm saying it in a negative way. The camera is really bad and the front camera is really bad. But today we will see that how it's look like. So let me set this in a speedy way. We don't have a SIM now. Set up as a Neo. Skip. We don't need anything right now. Let's go. No fingerprint, nothing. My friends are waiting to watch how the camera works, even myself. So now, as you can see, it has booted up. And first of all, we will check what version of Android we get out of the box. System, we get Android 8.1. Don't worry, my friends, we have already getting Android 9 on this phone. You can go ahead and update it. But now we will be discussing about the features. First of all, we get a 5.8-inch Full HD display. That means the resolution is 1080p, and it is a Full HD HDR capable display. So, and the camera has also got HDR in it. So let me quickly go all the settings here. Okay, not time lapse, so we will open this up in the photo mode, and I will show you in this inside the settings. See, there is a auto HDR support here, so your camera supports HDR. First of all, we will discuss about the front camera here, because as you can see, nowadays the people take a lot of selfies here. Let me take a picture here. So as you can see here, I have taken a picture here, but I'm looking on the shutter button. As you can see, the picture is really nice and really clear, because you can see the hairs on my face really clearly. This is the front camera, and front camera is only 8 megapixel with a wide angle. So now we will go for a back camera, and we will take a picture of my Google Pixel 3 on the Pixel stand. I'm taking this picture. This picture is taken. Let's check this out. And the back camera, my friends, as you can see, wow, I'm using a fabric case, and the fabric case is looking really nice here. Like, there's no picture noise or distortion here. Quality is really nice. Even the Google logos looks really nice. Display is really nice. I like the color of this display. And if you want to zoom it, you can zoom it, but you will get a 5 megapixel camera in there. So if you can zoom it here like this is the digital zoom here, and this is the normal zoom here. So that's all for the camera. So in here we get the 12 megapixel sensor here, and the 5 megapixel sensor here with 2.4 aperture or 2 aperture, and the 12 megapixel is 1.8 aperture. You get a rear fingerprint sensor here, and you get a headphone jack here. You get another microphone here, and on the front, on the bottom, you get a bottom firing speaker here, USB-C, another microphone here, and on the side, power button, volume rocker, and on the left side you get the SIM ejector tool. So we will check this out, what we get. Do we get a SIM ejector tool only, or we get another space for our micro SD card? So we will, I don't know about this, but we will open this up. And friends, I forgot to mention, these lenses are Zeiss lens. So Nokia has tied up with Zeiss, and we will open this up and check this out. Yes, we get either one SIM, one micro SD card, or two SIMs, no micro SD card. So this is a hybrid SIM tray. So don't worry, my friends, it's a good thing. It is a metal one, so don't worry about breaking it off like the Samsung is a plastic one. Being a so big company, they provide still a plastic SIM tray. I don't understand why. So you get another thing is a dual site mode, that I don't know how to use it, because I'm not a fan dual sight mode and I haven't used it. I think there is something here called as dual sight mode. Let me check this out. Yes, there is a dual sight mode. In here what we can do, you can take a picture on the back and you can take a picture at the front. So let me take one of my Pixel 3 and me. So as you can see here, this is the dual sight mode. I looked at black because of the lighting in here, but this is the dual sight mode. You can go ahead and make it normal mode. Even you can go ahead for picture in picture mode. So this is a good thing Nokia has done here. This is a special feature with Nokia camera only. You have AI depth based imaging also. The image, whatever you take pictures here, it is been thought by the Google's artificial intelligence to make the camera and photos good. You get a 64 GB of space here. Internal memory storage is 64 GB. I can show you out here. Let me open this up. Yes, as you can see here, 64 GB. Yes, 64 GB, 11 GB is used out of the box. So you get around 50, 55, 52 GB to store your data and whatever you like to, music and everything. And you have 64 GB is enough for a pure Android device. So that's all my friends. If you need any questions to be asked, feel free to ask on the below here on the display on your screen. I'm joking. You can ask it on the comment section below, and do subscribe my channel. If you need more videos like this, do like and subscribe and share with your friends. And if you want anything more, you can ask on the comment section below. Thank you for watching, my friends. Bye bye.